Hello guys, I'm Sitra. You watch Magic Pinkoo Art. Today we draw a different type of shapes. Let's start a draw. All shapes. Rectangle shape. Crescent shape. I love painting so much. Triangle shape. Arrow shape. Right triangle. Let's start color time. Blue color. All inside color is blue color. Red color. Crescent shape inside color is light green color. Triangle shape inside color pink color. Arrow shape inside color is green color. Finally, last shape is right triangle inside color is orange. So thanks to keep watching and like, subscribe.